how to use the Heikin Ashi candlestick chart? The Heikin Ashi is a type of candlestick chart that may help spot general trends, trend strength, and reversals. Heikin Ashi candlesticks display the opening price, the closing price, the high, and the low. However, unlike usual candlesticks, the Heikin Ashi chart uses a modified formula for its values. The opening price, the closing price, the high, and the low are calculated based on the average values from the ongoing and preceding trading sessions. Let's take a look at the formula of the Heikin Ashi chart in detail. So, how to read the Heikin Ashi chart? Usually, green candles indicate an uptrend and red ones signify a downtrend. Green candles with long bodies and no lower shadows may be an indication of a strong upward trend, while red candles with long bodies and no upper shadows may be a strong bearish signal. The emergence of candles with small bodies and upper or lower wicks may signify a trend reversal. To activate the Heikin Ashi chart on the iqoption platform, click Chart Type in the left lower panel of the trade room and select Heikin Ashi. On the mobile app, you can also apply the Heikin Ashi technique to linear charts. In this case, it is possible to set the time period of up to 1 second. The Heikin Ashi may be a useful tool for planning entry and exit points, especially in periods of high volatility. However, you should keep in mind that no technical analysis tool gives a 100% guarantee of the correct analysis. Have a pleasant trading experience.